We often feel safe following established routes. Schools, universities, corporations, these institutions promise guidance. They present a clear path, a set of steps to climb. This structure is comforting. It feels safe and predictable. But what happens when the well-worn path doesn't lead to our dreams? Some of us feel a different pull, a desire to explore uncharted territory, a yearning to break free from convention and forge our own paths. This instinct, though daunting, is the seed of true innovation. It is the driving force behind extraordinary change. Creating your own path requires courage. It demands a willingness to embrace uncertainty. There are no guarantees, no predetermined outcomes. But in this space of unknowns lies tremendous freedom. The freedom to experiment, to learn, to grow in ways unimaginable within predefined boundaries. This path is not for the faint of heart. It's for the rebels, the dreamers, the ones who dare to envision a different future. It's about trusting your instincts, following your passions, and relentlessly pursuing your unique vision. It's about defying expectations and defining success on your own terms. History is brimming with individuals who defied conventions. Think of Bill Gates, who dropped out of Harvard to start Microsoft. Oprah Winfrey, who overcame a challenging childhood to become a media mogul. Elon Musk, who relentlessly pursues space exploration and sustainable energy solutions. These individuals didn't follow the crowd. They forged their own paths, driven by passion and a clear vision. They embraced risks, learned from failures, and ultimately reshaped industries and our world. Their stories remind us that greatness often lies outside the confines of the ordinary. When individuals carve their own paths, the impact is profound. Their courage inspires others. Their successes demonstrate what's possible. They show us that limitations are self-imposed and that true fulfillment comes from pursuing our own definitions of success. So, dare to dream big. Embrace your individuality. Don't be afraid to step off the beaten path and create your own journey. The world needs your unique talents and your bold vision. You have the power to make a difference, to leave your mark on the world. Start today.